Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I've been able to make over $50,000 this year alone. And I've done this using 6 different websites, which I'm going to be introducing to you guys in this video. And if you watch the video to the very end, I'm going to have a very special announcement for those of you who have said, Gerald, I want a one-on-one personal training or mentorship with you. I have a special announcement for those of you who are interested in having the training with me personally, where I will show you all my secrets to actually making money online. Right? So for those of you, before we jump into the video, if you're just seeing me for the first time, my name is Gerald Umeh and I make videos around making money online. So what I do basically is that I try things out, they work, and I come right here and show you exactly what I've done, hoping that you can do the exact same thing and get the exact same result. So that said, let's go to my screen. Let me show you these 6 websites that I've used to actually make over $50,000 on the internet this year alone. Now let's go, guys.
Now the first website I'm going to be talking about is Pevest. Now a lot of you who are regulars on my channel must have heard me talk about Pevest. Now let me log into my Pevest account. I'm going to go to sign in. Right, I go to sign in and it's logging me in. So I'm going to put in my email address here, my password here. I hit login, so it's going to log me into Pevest right now. So this is being logged. Okay, I'm being logged in. Just give it a while. Okay, it says good evening, Gerald. Good evening, wash your hands and blah blah. Now you see here, it says total savings. These are total savings that I have on Pevest right now is 6.14 million naira, right, which is about $12,000 or so, right? So let me click on it so I can see a breakdown. Now this is the money that I have saved from Pevest. Now, but this is what you should be looking at. If you look at this one, you see that it says safe lock, which means that I have been able to get over 5.4 million naira on Pevest without doing anything, and I'm going to be explaining exactly what I've done to actually make this money in this video. So Pevest is the number 1 website. Now the second website I'm going to be introducing to you guys is Remitano. Now Remitano is another interesting website that has helped me make a lot of money on the internet. So and mind you guys, this is with no investment at all, no investment whatsoever, right? So I'm going to go to click on login, so I can log into my Remitano account and show you proof of these funds. So I'm just going to come here and hit sign in with email. I'm going to put in my email address right here. Okay, I'm going to hit send link because this is exactly how the Remitano works. You're going to send the link to my email, and I'm going to hit I'm going to go to my email address. So this is the email that Remitano has sent to me right now. It says log into Remitano. So I'm just going to click on it. Right, I'm going to hit click on it and hit log me into Remitano. Okay, so it's logging me in right now, and I'll just give it a while. Okay, so I'm logging to Remitano right here, and if I go to balance, BTC balance right here, you're going to see that I have quite a lot of balance here. So I have over 172,000 naira right here, which is about $500 around that, right? So, and all these monies that you see here, I didn't spend a dime to make this money, right? And like I said, just continue watching this video because I'm going to be explaining exactly what I did to make all these monies that I'm showing you on this website. So this is the second website that I've shown you guys, Pevest. I've shown you guys Remitano. Now the next one I'm going to be showing you guys is the website called Binance.com. So let's go to Binance and find out how much I have inside of Binance, how much I've made with Binance. So I'm going to hit login, right? So I can log into my Binance account. So this is loading. If you're getting any value from this video, guys, I want to encourage you guys to smash the like button right now, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you've not done that already, and also share the video with your friends. And if you have any questions, please put it in the comment section, as I'm always there to answer all of your questions. So I'm going to hit go to email, but this is still loading. Okay, so just give it a while to finish loading up. I'm going to put in my email address and my password and hit login. Right, so this is loading. I'm going to give it a while. So it's loading, give it a while. Okay, beautiful. So I'm just going to slide this. Please have to log into Remitano, slide this into place, right? And okay, so this is the first layer of security, and they're going to send a code to my phone. So this is my phone number ending with 234. I'm going to hit get code, right? Okay, so it says mobile phone number verification code sent to my phone. So I'm going to wait for that code to arrive, and it just arrived on my phone right now. So I'm going to put it right here, 590672. 590672. That's the code. Okay, so it's logging me in. So I'm logging in right here, and you see, if you look at it, it says wallet, overview, orders, and blah blah blah, and all of that. So I'm just going to come to overview. Let's look at overview. So we'll find out exactly how much I have inside of Binance right now. So this is loading. I'm going to give it a while. Okay, so right here inside of Binance, you're going to see that I have over $5,000 right here. Yeah, $5,000 right here inside of Binance. So let me go to another one. The next one is Fiverr affiliate, not Fiverr.com, Fiverr affiliate, right? So I'm going to put in my username and my password. I'm going to hit sign in, so I can log into Fiverr affiliate and show you guys around how much I've made with Fiverr affiliate this year alone. So this is loading. Give it a while, guys. Okay, so I'm going to close this. Right here you see that I have a balance of $203 right here. But let us do some mathematics. I'm just going to go to payment history, so you see how much that they have paid out to me this year alone. So I'm going to come here and go to January 1st 2021. Okay, so January 1st 2021 up until today, I'm going to hit run report, and if you see right here that they've paid out over $9,000, almost $10,000, right? This is just for Fiverr affiliate alone. Right? So, and like I said, I'm going to be explaining exactly what I've done to actually make all this money. So stay with me in this video, guys, if you actually want to know how I actually made all this money right here. So the next one is a website called Builderall. Now Builderall is more or less like ClickFunnels, right? And that's what I use for my affiliate marketing and stuff. Now they have an affiliate program and I promote it as an affiliate. So let's go to affiliates right here. Go to affiliates right here and click on affiliates, and it's loading. Give it a while. So okay, so give it a while and it's loading and okay, this is affiliate dashboard. Let's scroll down right here. You see that right now I have 37 euros, and this is the last next 30 days, 37 euros and $431, which is an estimate of what I'm expecting in the next 30 days. But let's come all the way down right here. Let me show you guys something real quick. This is loading. Okay, beautiful. Then all the earnings on this particular platform, I've made over $14,000, almost $15,000 as a Builderall affiliate alone. And here in Euro, I've made over $259 at 259 euros as a Builderall affiliate, right? So this is how the money is actually came, direct sales and tier 2 and stuff. Now if you come all the way down, you see that I have withdrawn over almost $13,000 and 140 euros, right? And this is what is pending right now. I have $900 available right now that I can withdraw if I want to. Like I will withdraw it right now into my bank account right here in Nigeria. And this particular one right here, USD, this is pending, right? They're going to verify these earnings and move it to my available. And from my available, I can now move it to request, and from request it will get paid to me, right? So this is the 5th website that we're going to be looking at. Now let's look at the 6th website, which is the last one. That's the Bluehost affiliate. So if I come to Bluehost.com, I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom and click affiliates, right? I'm going to log into my affiliate account and show you guys around. So remember, it's important for you to stay with me to the end of this video. I have a very important announcement to give to you guys, and also I'm going to be explaining exactly the steps that I took to make all this money in this video, guys, right? So if you are really interested or serious about making money online, this is a video that you must watch from beginning to the very end, guys. So I'm going to hit a login right now. So this logging me in. So and okay. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, it's important for you guys to smash the like button and also subscribe to my channel, because I've been making videos like what I'm showing you right now that will actually help you make money online. So this is my email address and my password. I'm going to hit login so I can log into Builderall as an affiliate. So this is it right here. And okay, so this date range, let me go to January 2021, January 1st 2021, or up until today. I'm going to hit apply, and let's see exactly how much I've made as a okay. So this year alone, on as a Bluehost affiliate, I've made over $400, right? I've made over $400 as a Bluehost affiliate. So let's do the mathematics. I'm going to open a notepad document, right? Let's find out exactly how much I've made on notepad. Bluehost, I've made $400, right? Plus let's go back to Builderall. I've done over 14,000. $15,000 and this, let's just say $16,000, right? So I'm just gonna come here and say plus 16,000, right? Plus okay, let's go to the next one, which is this, which is Fiverr, over 10,000, because this one plus this one should be around 10,000. All right, yeah, okay, let's say 9,005 or 9,008. Let's say $9,800. $9,800 plus On Binance, I have $5,000 right here. So let's say plus 5,000 plus 5,000, right? Plus what's the next one? Remitano, I have 172, which is about $400. So let's do another $400 here. That's about $400, right? Plus what else? Right? Pevest, about 5.4 million is about that's about $10,000, right? 10,000, another $10,000 right here. So 10,000, right? So I'm just gonna Control A, Control C, then come to Google right here. Let it calculate it for us, and let's find out exactly how much I've made, right? With these platforms. Okay, so this is $41,600, right? $41,600. There's actually more. Let me blow your mind again. If I come here right now, because I also sell stuff on Builderall, right? I sell stuff on Builderall. If I come to a Builderall right here and go to a marketplace, where is it? It should be here somewhere. Get paid. Okay, go to marketplace. Let me show you guys another interesting thing that I did with Builderall. If I go to marketplace right here, and you're going to see that I have monies that is where to be withdrawn. So if you come right here, you're going to see that I have that's $45,000 right here. 45,000 plus this 3,000 will give you about 48,000, right? So 48,000 plus this plus 48,000, 48,000 will give you about $89,000, almost $90,000, you know, on the internet. This is exactly what I do, making money online. So when I told you that I've made over $50,000 this year alone with this, and I know exactly what I'm talking about, right? I'm not one of those YouTubers that will tell you things that I've not tried myself, which is why it's important for you guys to listen to me. So the question now is, how did Gerald make this money? I'm going to be answering that in a little while. But if you are new to my channel and you've not subscribed to my channel, it's important for you to hit the subscribe button right now and the bell notification button. It's very important. And also leave a comment if you have any questions, right? So the question now is, how did I make this money? Let me answer that question right now.
So the question now is, how did I make all this money that I just showed you? Now, the first set of monies that I showed you guys, that's apart from the $48,000 I showed you last. Those ones were made using what we call affiliate marketing, right? And mind you guys, I am still affiliate, Africa's #1 affiliate marketer, you know. So the question now is, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is where you go online, find websites, right, that has referral or affiliate programs, register for those affiliate programs and start promoting those websites. That's basically what it is, right? You find those products and start promoting it. Now, for instance, I showed you Pevest. Pevest, what I did with Pevest was, I saw that Pevest has a referral program and they pay 1,000 naira for everybody that you encourage to sign up for Pevest. So I went there, I got a link from them, and I use that link to promote Pevest. Now what happens is that people are now signing up for Pevest, right, using my affiliate link or referral link, whatever you call it, and that is exactly how I'm able to make over 5 million naira doing just that, right? I made a detailed video about Pevest and it's showing up right here right now, right? So you can watch this video exactly to understand the step by step on how this thing is done, how this thing can be done. Now the second one is Remitano. Remitano, what I did was I actually created a blog around Remitano, right? Now I made another video about this, which is showing up right here. I started answering questions about Remitano. So I did keyword research, find out questions people were asking, like for instance, how to buy Bitcoin, how to, you know. So this is things that you can do on Remitano, and they have an affiliate program or referral program, whatever you call it. So once people, I teach people how to do these things. Now what happens is that once they come right now and will read the article and click on my link and actually set up an account on Remitano, whatever trade that they make, whatever deposits that they make, I get a commission, right? That's basically what it is. So I made all these monies without spending a dime. Now when it comes to Binance, the same thing. When it comes to Fiverr, I've made a video about Fiverr affiliate and showing up right here, and I can show you guys exactly how I did this. So I did keyword research around Fiverr, found out things that people are searching on Google around Fiverr, and built a blog around it. That's basically what it is, right? That's so you bring value and you tell people to actually do something. Now you can do affiliate marketing with Instagram, you can do affiliate marketing with YouTube, you can do it with your own blog, or even free blogs like Medium and stuff out there. Now, but there is a challenge with those platforms because you do not have total control. So what I tell people that actually want to do affiliate marketing in the long run is to get your own blog, right? So you have to control on your content creation. You're not limited to, like, for instance, Medium can wake up on a very good day and say that they don't want affiliate programs. It actually happened to me. I was promoting a product on Medium, and I was doing about $3,000 every day. Yes, this was last year. I was about $3,000 every day with Medium, and suddenly they woke up and decided that they don't want affiliate links again, right, for that particular product, and they brought it down. Now all those imagine the work I paid my writers to actually write those articles for me and everything. Now I'm going to be talking about how I made the second $48,000 I showed you guys last, right? So the interesting thing is that affiliate marketing works. A lot of you guys may be wondering, how do you get Gerald to actually show me this 101? Actually sit down, because I've come to understand a lot of persons do not learn very well, right, with videos right here on the internet. So they want this 101 conversation, want to sit down with you and have a conversation. So you teach them over the here, just like you do in classes, right? You have any question, you can ask your lecturer and stuff. So I'm going to be doing that, and I'm going to be providing more details about that in a little while. Now, the second question is, how did I make the last $48,000 that I just showed you guys? Now, what I did was that I did what we call information marketing. Information marketing. Now, what this entails is that you can go online to a websites like plrarticles.com, PLR ebooks, articles, and stuff like that. Download those ebooks, rebrand them, right? You can go on Fiverr, get somebody to do another cover for you, slap it on it, and start selling it on the internet as an information product. Now you need to create a landing page. You need to create write your copy, right? Now copy basically means things, write-ups that will convince people to actually buy what you are selling, right? That's basically what copywriting is. So you have to write a good copy, and you need to now start marketing these products on the internet. You can do this for digital product and do this for practical product. But the $48,000 I showed you guys was monies that I made selling information product, digital product. There was no physical product. So the same product, I sold it over and over and over and over again, and that is how the $48,000 came to be, basically, right? Now the thing is that you want to learn these things, and I want to teach you guys exactly what I've done, so that you can get the exact same result. So what I'm going to be doing is that I'm organizing what I call the Niger MMO Summit 1.0. Now in that summit, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how you can make money online, how you can start getting the kind of results that I've just shown you guys in this video. If you are serious about making money online, you should endeavor to attend that event. It's happening on the 18th, 19th, and 20th of this month, November 2021. So you must endeavor to attend that event if you're actually serious about making money online. So all you need to do right now is to just go to mmo.geraldumeh.com and register. It is not a free event, it's a paid event, right? So if you are really serious about making money online, and I'm not doing this alone, I have other gurus in the industry, people that actually make real money online, YouTubers, information marketers, copywriters, and crypto trading experts, right? We are going to be coming there together to actually show you exactly how you can make money online. So I think it's a beautiful way to actually end your year, so that you can, if you implement right now, by the first quarter of next year, you will start seeing results from your investment. So it's very, 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 very important that you go to mmo.geraldumeh.com right now and register for that event. If you're really serious about making money online, this is an event that you should not miss, guys. It's actually going to be a beautiful way to actually end your year. So by the end of this year, you've got you start implementing, and by January, February, you start, killing it, right? So I'm going to be seeing you at that event if you're actually serious about making money online, and if you live right here in Nigeria, guys.